Oh, I'm scared.
Liv, just lean back. You don't have to do anything but lean back.
Literally.
Literally.
I'll fuck that up.
So if you think about doing something, just don't do anything. Less is more. Lean back. She's going very slow.
I know. Well,
I think you better lean back so you go a little faster. It's so funny to just hear their whole conversation.
Nico. One on your hands for your phone.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Ugh. Yeah, you trust your... Oh, you have the thing on your phone.
Yeah, I don't trust myself.
Oh, I
I'll
could've
drop my phone.
Could have brought my carabiner.
Hey, John! It's John Cena.
Get...
He's gonna distract you and like say something funny so you don't think about it.
What are your last words?
Bye.
That's
Bye.
it? How you
No. Whatever.
This is good because I can video both of them. I only got Liv at the end there.
You get like a sick video of me flying by on zip line.
Well, no, because you gotta hold your.
Yeah, with one hand. And now you threw drone.
Bye, Matt.
Bye. Leaning back here. I think they are too. That sucks.
When it was open that much.
No.
That's nuts.
Yeah, that must have been real good luck.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like here.
Did you guys come in as fast as me?
Yeah, we
Okay.
all came in.
Yeah.
This is the fastest one.
Did he say that?
I can just tell.
Oh.
We can all tell.
Jen, stand on this side. See?
Yeah,
That's what you
stand
do,
on
guys.
this
Not
side.
on that side, this side.
Put your head under.
Under, and then stay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you had more time to get.
Yeah.
Oh, this one looks sick.
That might be the drone one with the water.
Really long.
Yeah, right?
Here he comes, coming in hot. I missed you, but I'll get you on one of the other ones.
I kind of pushed myself off. I was like,
Yeah, the rainforest water.
That's pretty.
You left Sabrina till last?
All right, there we go.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
How awesome would it be to do a zip line in the water? Like you just have this thing and then
Under the water.
Yeah.
He was like, getting like destroyed.
I want to zip line.
Would have gave you like.
All right,
a 5-year
Livy.
appointment.
It's a video.
Dude, that looks so nice. We'll go.
So right now, yeah, it's just a...
I would go over there.
Maybe I'll video the water until she goes.
Yeah, probably a good idea. I don't even know what that
Hello, friends in the group.
Hello.
Long Island in the house there.
Long Island.
LBO.
Everything is good. Back.
Go ahead, Liv. Yeah, that's right. That's what you get.
That's what you get.
It's a long one, but I would think you wouldn't go as fast. You probably pushed her, but
up there, probably gives you a bump.
yeah, I think, yeah. Oh.
Welcome. Please on the other side of the table.
I thought that we all died.
Here she comes. She looks like an adventurer with the white shirt.
She does.
She's like Indiana Jones, like safari clothes on.
We're in Africa. You know, like the copper helmets in England? They were like those.